Hello everyone, I'm Rasheeda Banu, Assistant Professor in JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Now I'm going to explain the topic product market. This topic comes under Managerial Economics. So first one is product market. What is product market? Here, the product market is the market where the final goods and services are bought and sold. Here, the farmers selling their vegetables directly to the public. For example, supermarket selling a wide range of goods in a particular convenient places. Next is eBay.com. It is a platform which offers individuals for the opportunity to sell their goods. Product market fit, which satisfies the strong market demand so that the company can have their sustainable growth and gains the profit from that product. Here, Mac Anderson defines the term product market fit is being in a good market with a product that can satisfy that market. For example, here I took example as Netflix. So here Netflix initially focused on DVD rentals by mail and later transitioned to streaming. So their ability to adapt the change towards the customer preference. It built a robust streaming platform which demonstrate strong product market fit. Next is in product market, the wide range is macroeconomic market. In macroeconomic market, there are three components. First is product market, resource market, financial market. Here, the product market is a market which involves in exchange of goods and services, which is produced in an economy. Next is resource market. It deals with the exchange of factors of production. The factors of production is land, capital, labor, whereas the business acquire their input, they need to produce goods and services. Third one is financial market. Financial market facilitates the flow of funds between savers and the borrowers. Here the various instruments like stocks, bonds, and currencies, it is a crucial for investment capital formation. Here, how the money flows in a product market is explained in that diagram. Next is market structure. Here, market structure refers how the different industries classified on the basis of degree and nature of competition for goods and services. There are two types of market structure. First one is perfect market, second one is imperfect market. Market structure. Perfect market is also known as perfect market or perfect market, competitive market. Here it is characterized by numerous buyers and sellers trading an identical products. Next is there is no single entry can influence the prices. And next is mostly there are price takers. Some of the assumptions of perfect competition are there are many buyers and sellers, and it produces the homogeneous, it sells the homogeneous products. There is a free entry and exit in the market. Next is imperfect market structure. Any market which does not satisfy the condition of perfect competition is imperfect market. There are some forms of imperfect competition markets or monopoly, monopolistic, and oligopoly. It is a different market structures: perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, monopoly. Here, perfect competition. Here in diagram, it is clearly mentioned that in perfect competition, there are many buyers and sellers. They sell same products which is homogeneous. There is a no entry and exit barriers. Their market share percentage does not matter. Here some of the examples for perfect competition. Here consider a local farmer market where the two farmers A and B sells their same product corn, which is homogeneous product. Here A sells his corn to rupees 5 and B sells his corn to rupees 4.50. Although both having same product corn, they have same taste and quality. So the customer automatically prefer which is lowest price. So they start buying from B. Therefore, A have to lower his price to 4.50 to match B for retaining his customer. In this, with these two sellers selling the same product and there is no controlling the price, which is the perfect example for perfect competition. Their motive is to attract the customers and retain the existing customer. Next is imperfect market. Here in imperfect market is competitive economic market which has multiple sellers. They sell non-identical goods and services. Uh, they are competitive for market share to make more profit. The types of imperfect competition are here some of the types of imperfect competition. First is monopolistic competition. The monopolistic competition where many companies offer similar but not identical products or services. The factors like price, quality, branding, and customer services differentiate themselves to attract the customer. Here are some of the examples for monopolistic competition: bakery products, hairdressing industry, restaurant. Here in a hairdressing industry, there are a lot of hairdressers in every cities have slightly differentiate skills or services which customers preference. This differentiation creates a different image in the eyes of the customers. Next is in bakery shop, there is various bakeries selling the similar products. They are in slight different ways. Creates a different image in the eyes of the customer. Same as restaurants. The restaurant is based on quality of food and prices. Based on certain factors, the customer attracts towards the particular restaurant. Next is oligopoly. In oligopoly, there is a few large companies which controls the majority of the market share. These firms can influence price and market conditions due to the significant market power. Here some of the examples for oligopoly is first one is soft drink industry, automobile industry, cell phone industry, banking industry, and airline industry. In soft drink industry, for example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi dominate their entire market. Likewise, in automobile industry, Toyota, Ford, etc. Cell phone industry, apps, Samsung and Apple dominate the market. So these are the examples for oligopoly. Final is monopoly. In monopoly, there is a single company which represents whole industry. It has no competitors. There is a sole seller of products in the entire market. Here, the firm has 25% of total market share. Here, the example for monopoly is Google. If we want to search something in online, probably our answer is Google it. So, Google is a powerful search engine. Um, Here, the market share for the Google is over 90% in the global market. It's a very powerful monopoly. Thank you. If you have any feedback, kindly send to this mail ID.